Now, let's open this box. See what we got. As you see, I can't wait. I'm excited. Can't wait for the fights. There's so many fights too. There's so many fights. There's a bunch of fights. This is nobody really else. Roasting. I fuck with roasting. Finney, yeah. Take Jacob. That's all I gotta say there. But let's get back to the box. Alright. Back to the box. That's what I'm here for. Alright. See if we could cash out on anything. I mean, I'm the collector now. Also, another thing I'm doing is I'm gonna place bets, right? So I got Volk, I got Dennis, and I got Ruffy, right? They win, I'm gonna buy another box. That's how I'm gonna be doing. Okay, she's back. We're back. Let's get it. Starting off, we got a peak card. I set the light up for you guys to see it better. We got a Pereira's card. We got a Willie card. Zhang Willie. Nice. A Jetto card. That might mean something, I don't know. Whoever that is. Bellator. I think I got him last time. Ooh, that's a nice card. Bretto. Yes, sir. Dynasty. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding. Let's fucking go. That's my fucking guy, Khabib? Huh. What are we talking about here? Oh, we got Sylvia. And we got Yang here. Nice one. You gotta respect her. You gotta respect her. You have to. I don't care what she lost, how she did it. Oh my. Last rip. Let's rip through him. Let's rip through him. Alex Pereira, my favorite fighter. One of my favorite fighters. Khabib. I got a Khabib Holiday. Used to love him a lot. He just, I don't know. He probably lost focus. I'm not a fighter. I can't tell you what he did, what he didn't. Fuck with him though. Wilson. You got Maverick. Emmett. You gotta respect Emmett. Hey, Capel. You gotta put him here. We got another, oh man, another one of these guys. They flip these, a signature. Another one. Look at me. Progressing. Yes. Gaziv. What? Nah, they make you want to buy these things. Harrison. We got a Harrison. And we got a Pentagon. Or Pennington.
Okay.
Pennington.
Okay. Can I see it from the back?
Fucking nice. I gave you my 3 picks. And you see what it is. Let's get some money, y'all. Let's get it. That's dope. Look at. I'm not gonna lie. You want a recap? I feel like the lights better too. Lights gotta be better. Pennington. Got a fucking signature. Another auto. Chambel. Alex. Yang. Aman. I don't know what this card is, but it's a special force. Silver. You gotta put the silver over there. Allen's my guy. You see what it is. We got like 3 of those last time. Khabib though? Oh my god. Patty's a fucking baddie. I wanted one of those. I wish that would have been signed. That would have been crazy. Silver again. Gotta keep those. Martinez. Bautista. Khabib. That is so dope. Say that's dope. Khabib, he's training him. Excuse me if I can't pronounce. Charles. Got the guy. Demont Silva. Fighting Adrian. You got a Destiny. This got a Dynasty. This has got to be worth something. And Burrito. Alright, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving it. I'm loving the card picks. And definitely gonna put them away. Just picked up some stuff. Hard copies. What else? What else we got? I like Elliott. I think I told you guys that. That's it. My main 3 picks. You got Alexander, you got Dennis, and you got Ruff. Feel like those are the locks. Bro, this is legendary. Legendary. Khabib is tough. Khabib is tough. I need to get those metal. This is tough too. I got the metal magnet covers. Then I got a signature somewhere around here. It's crazy. Khabib. Yeah. Any Khabib is going in. Batista. Silvers is going in. Patty's definitely going in. Khabib is going in. Oh my god. Am I hitting gold? Any silver? You know he's going in. Alex Forever again, but it's a signature? Another signature? You don't even get signatures here. Come on.